1 cup of boiled corn kernels. 1 chopped carrot. 1 chopped capsicum. 1 chopped onion. 1 tablespoon of chopped ginger, garlic and 1 chopped green chili. 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, red chili powder, besan, chaat masala, salt and half teaspoon of garam masala. 1 boiled and grated potato. Some chopped coriander leaves. 2 tablespoons of corn flour, 2 teaspoons of breadcrumbs, and half teaspoon of black pepper powder. 2 tablespoons of boiled corn kernels. Half lemon juice. Grind the corn kernels. Transfer the batter in a bowl. Transfer batter in a mixing bowl. Add boiled and grated potato. Add chopped carrot. Add chopped capsicum. Add chopped onion. Add chopped garlic. Add chopped green chili. Add chopped ginger. Add chopped coriander. Add boiled corn kernels. Add black pepper powder. Add breadcrumbs. Add corn flour. Add besan. Add chaat masala. Add salt. Add turmeric powder. Add red chili powder. Add garam masala powder. Add lemon juice. Mix all the ingredients as well. Dough is done. Grease some oil on hands and make ball-size bullet shape. Corn kebabs are ready. Heat the oil. Kebabs are ready for frying. Deep fry the kebabs. Fry until they are golden brown. Crispy corn kebabs are done. tasty and crispy corn kebabs are ready to serve. Do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Explore and cook.